Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the synopsis of the chapter binomial theorem. Now what is the definition of binomial theorem? If n is a positive integer and x and y be any real or imaginary numbers, then x plus y whole to the power n is given by nc0 x power n and y to the power 0, nc1 x power n minus 1 y to the power 1, etc. ncr x to the power n minus r into y to the power r. This is called as the general term. This term is the general term, etc. ncn x power 0 into y to the power n. Here we can observe one thing, that the power of x or power of the first term keep on decreasing while the power of second term y keep on increasing. Or generally we can write it as x plus y whole to the power n as sigma r from 0 to n ncr x to the power n minus r into y to the power r. So this is called as the general term of the binomial theorem. So that's the general term, ncr x to the power n minus r into y to the power r. Here nc0, nc1, nc2, etc. are called as the binomial coefficients. Now if you replace y by minus y, the general term of x minus y to the power n is obtained as tr plus 1, that's equal to minus 1 to the power r ncr x to the power n minus r into y to the power r. Similarly, we can obtain the general term of 1 plus x to the power n and 1 minus x to the power n by replacing x by 1 and y by minus x respectively. And these are some general ideas that we should know. ncr can also be written as ncn minus r. ncr plus ncr minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 cr. ncr divided by ncr minus 1 is n minus r plus 1 divided by r. r into ncr is equal to n into n minus 1 cr minus 1, and 1 by r plus 1 ncr is equal to 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 1 cr plus 1. Now what about the middle term? The middle term depends upon the even or odd nature of n. As we know, if the number of terms in the expansion of x plus y whole power n is n plus 1, where n plus 1 is odd, so there will be only one middle term. The middle term is n by 2 plus 1th term, and it is given by t n by 2 plus 1, that's equal to nc n by 2 x to the power n by 2 into y to the power n by 2. Wherever n is odd, then the total number of terms is n plus 1, but this will be even. Then we will be having two middle terms. One is n plus 1 by 2th and n plus 3 by 2th, both are middle terms. Now if tr and tr plus 1 be the rth and r plus 1th terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power n, then tr plus 1 by tr is given by n minus r plus 1 by r into x. The greatest coefficient. If n is even, then the greatest coefficient is given by nc n by 2. If they ask a question about greatest coefficient, we just have to see the value of n and we can find it by using the formula nc n by 2. And if n is odd, then it is given by nc n minus 1 by 2 and nc n plus 1 by 2. Now the binomial coefficients. In the binomial expansion of 1 plus x to the power n, let us denote the coefficients by c0, c1, etc. cn. Then since 1 plus x to the power n is c0 plus c1x, c2x square, etc. cn x power n, if you put x is equal to 1, we get c0 plus c1 plus c2, etc. cn as 2 to the power n. And if you put x is equal to minus 1, then c0 plus c2 plus c4, etc. it is also equal to c1 plus c3 plus c5, etc. And you should know that sum of odd terms coefficients, and that will be equal to sum of even terms coefficients, both are equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. Now this is one of the important thing called as series summation. So there are some basic formulas that we should remember. C0 plus C1 plus C2 etc. Cn is always equal to 2 to the power n. C0 minus C1 plus C2. Here you can observe the sign changes one after the other, first minus then plus etc. alternatively. Then the answer is also 2 to the power n. C0 plus C2 plus C4 plus etc. that's equal to C1 plus C3 plus C5 etc. that will be equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. And C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square etc. Cn square is 2n factorial by n factorial whole square. So these are the basic things that we should remember. In the next class, we are going to discuss about the questions of JEE Main 2020 from the chapter binomial theorem. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.